Immerse yourself in the refreshing world of gazpacho, a chilled soup that hails from the sun-drenched fields of Andalusia, Spain. Unearth the intriguing history, health benefits, and a simple recipe to bring this authentic Spanish delight to your dining table. Gazpacho's story starts in the times of the Roman Empire, evolving over centuries from a humble meal for field workers to a culinary symbol of Spanish cuisine. This chilled soup has seen it all, from the hard-working hands of field workers to the opulent tables of aristocrats. Not only is gazpacho a treat to your taste buds, but it also packs a nutritional punch. Brimming with fresh vegetables, this chilled soup is a treasure trove of vitamin C and E, antioxidants, and hydrating properties. It's an ideal blend of health and flavor. To prepare this authentic gazpacho, gather a pound of ripe tomatoes, a small cucumber, a bell pepper, a small red onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, and a cup of cold water. Chop the vegetables roughly and blend them with olive oil, vinegar, and water until smooth. Make sure to chill it for at least an hour before serving. Serve your gazpacho chilled, garnished with finely diced vegetables, a swirl of olive oil, and crusty bread on the side. To add an authentic touch, consider adding a hard-boiled egg or Iberico ham. Embrace the flavors of Spain with this easy-to-make gazpacho, a dish that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Perfect for hot summer days or any time you crave a taste of Andalusia. If this journey into Spanish cuisine left you wanting more, like, share, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Buen provecho!